क्या बात आपको परेशान कर रही है? What's bothering you? What's bothering you? चाय लाऊं मैं तुम्हारे लिए? Should I bring some tea for you? Should I bring some tea for you? हाँ, बहुत अच्छा होगा. Yes, that would be great. Yes, that would be great. तुम बाहर क्यों आए? Why did you come outside? Why did you come outside? मुझे बाहर की चीज़ देखनी थी. I wanted to see what's outside. I wanted to see what's outside. क्या तुमने कभी इसे आजमाया? Have you ever tried it? Have you ever tried it? नहीं, मैंने ऐसा कभी नहीं किया. No, I have never done it. No, I have never done it. एक बार मैंने कोशिश की थी पर नहीं हुआ. I tried once but it didn't work. I tried once but it didn't work. कैसा लगा ये आपको? How did you find it? How did you find it? इसके बारे में आप क्या जानते हो? What do you know about it? What do you know about it? मुझे इसके बारे में थोड़ा बहुत पता है. I know a little about it. I know a little about it. वो अब तक वापस नहीं आई. She hasn't returned yet. She hasn't returned yet. तुमने उसे कॉल किया? Have you called her? Have you called her? वो मुझसे मिलने क्यों नहीं आई? Why didn't she come to meet me? Why didn't she come to meet me? वो जल्दी मिलेगी. She'll meet you soon. She'll meet you soon. आपने उससे बात की है क्या? Did you talk to her? Did you talk to her? वो कब तक आ रही है? When is she coming? When is she coming? क्या तुमने उससे पूछा? Did you ask her? Did you ask her? वह कितने बजे तक आएगी? What time will she arrive? What time will she arrive? वो अब क्यों आएगी? Why would she come now? Why would she come now? उसका यहाँ क्या काम है? What's her business here? What's her business here? क्या तुम्हें पता है वो क्या करने वाली है? Do you know what she's gonna do? Do you know what she's gonna do? मेरा दिल ये मानने को तैयार नहीं है. My heart isn't ready to believe it. My heart isn't ready to believe it. यह सच नहीं हो सकता. This can't be true. This can't be true. मैं इसे समझ नहीं पा रहा. I can't understand it. I can't understand it. मुझे भी यकीन नहीं आ रहा. I also can't believe it. I also can't believe it. वह ऐसा नहीं कर सकती. She wouldn't do this. She wouldn't do this. वह ऐसा क्यों करेगी? Why would she do this? Why would she do this? क्या हमें उससे बात करनी चाहिए? Should we talk to her? Should we talk to her? वह ऐसा कर चुकी है. She already did it. She already did it. यह बहुत बुरा हुआ. This is terrible. This is terrible. इस बारे में परेशान नहीं होना. Don't be upset about that. Don't be upset about that. सब ठीक हो जाएगा. Everything will be all right. Everything will be all right. चिंता मत करो. Just don't worry. Just don't worry. मैं काफ़ी समय से इसके बारे में सोच रही थी. I've been thinking about it for a long time. I've been thinking about it for a long time. मैं इसे लेकर बहुत चिंतित हूँ. I'm very concerned about it. I'm very concerned about it. मुझे लगा नहीं था कि तुम मिलोगे. I didn't expect to catch you. I didn't expect to catch you. क्या आप अक्सर यहाँ आते हो? Do you come here often? Do you come here often? आपसे मिलकर मुझे खुशी हुई. I'm happy to see you. I'm happy to see you. तुम्हें दिख नहीं रहा कि मैं बहुत बिजी हूँ? Can't you see I'm very busy? Can't you see I'm very busy? माफ़ करना, मैं आपको परेशान नहीं करना चाहती थी. Sorry, I don't want to disturb you. Sorry, I don't want to disturb you. आप हमेशा उसके अच्छे बुरे वक्त पे उसके साथ खड़े रहते हो। You always stand with him in his good and bad times. You always stand with him in his good and bad times. मैं उसकी हर समय में मदद करूँगा। I'll always help him whenever needed. I'll always help him whenever needed. क्या आप जानते हो कि आप कहाँ जा रहे हो? Do you know where you are going? Do you know where you are going? मैं पक्का जीतने वाला हूँ। I'm definitely going to win. I'm definitely going to win. हाँ, आप ज़रूर जीतोगे। Yes, you will definitely win. Yes, you will definitely win. क्या तुम्हें इस पर विश्वास है? Are you confident about this? Are you confident about this? मुझे इस पर पूरा विश्वास है। I fully believe in this. I fully believe in this. तुम्हें कब समय मिलेगा? When will you be available? When will you be available? मुझे शाम को समय मिलेगा। I'll have time in the evening. I'll have time in the evening. अच्छा है, मैं डिनर बना लेती हूँ। That's nice. I'll make dinner. That's nice. I'll make dinner. मैं भी हेल्प करूँगा खाना बनाने में। I'll also help with the cooking. I'll also help with the cooking. और हम साथ में डिनर करेंगे। And we'll have dinner together. And we'll have dinner together. बहुत अच्छा है। That sounds great. That sounds great. कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है। There's no need. There's no need. ठीक है, जैसी तुम्हारी मर्जी। All right, as you wish. All right, as you wish. आपको कुछ और चाहिए? Do you need anything else? Do you need anything else? नहीं शुक्रिया। No thanks. No thanks. तुम्हें कुछ और कहना है? Do you want to say something else? Do you want to say something else? आपको कुछ और पूछना है? Do you have any other question? Do you have any other question? कौन है? Who is it? Who is it? आपको मेरे घर का पता किसने दिया? Who gave you my address? Who gave you my address? मेरे दोस्त ने दिया मुझे। My friend gave it to me. My friend gave it to me. हम थोड़ी देर में निकलेंगे। We'll leave in a while. We'll leave in a while. मैं तैयार हो रही हूँ। I'm getting ready. I'm getting ready. जल्दी आओ। Come quickly. Come quickly. आप तैयार हो क्या? Are you ready? Are you ready? हमें कहाँ जाना है? Where do we need to go? Where do we need to go? कितनी देर लगेगी? How long will it take? How long will it take? सब लोग बाहर गए हैं क्या? Is everyone out? Is everyone out? मैं बताती हूँ तुम्हें। Let me tell you. Let me tell you. मैं सुन रही हूँ। I'm listening. I'm listening. क्या कहना चाहती हो? What do you want to say? What do you want to say? मैं तुम्हारी बात समझ गई। I understood what you said. I understood what you said. बताया नहीं था तुमने उसे? Didn't you tell him? Didn't you tell him? मैंने सोचा तुम बताओगी। I thought you would tell him. I thought you would tell him. क्या मतलब है तुम्हारा? What do you mean by this? What do you mean by this? मेरे पास तुम्हारे लिए एक अच्छी खबर है। I have a good news for you. I have a good news for you. क्या ये सच है? Is it true? Is it true? ये सचमुच एक अच्छी खबर है। It's a really good news. It's a really good news. तुम्हें ये खबर कहाँ से मिली? Where did you get this news from? उसे सब कुछ पता चल गया। He found out everything. He found out everything. मैंने नहीं सोचा था कि उसे पता चलेगा। I didn't think he would find out. I didn't think he would find out. ये एक बहुत बड़ी परेशानी है। दिस इज अ बिग प्रॉब्लम, दिस इज अ बिग प्रॉब्लम। उसे कैसे पता चला? हाउ डिड ही फाइंड आउट, हाउ डिड ही फाइंड आउट। फिर से सोच लो, थिंक ओवर इट अगेन, थिंक ओवर इट अगेन। तुम्हें क्या लगता है हमें क्या करना चाहिए? What do you think we should do? What do you think we should do? मैं इसके बारे में सोच रहा हूँ। I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking about it. मैं इस पर गौर करूँगा। I'll consider it. I'll consider it. ये एक दो दिन की बात नहीं है। It's not a matter of 1 or 2 days. It's not a matter of 1 or 2 days. हमें सब्र करना होगा। We need to be patient. We need to be patient. इसके लिए हमें समय देना होगा। We need to give it time. We need to give it time. क्या तुम्हें लगता है कि यह सही फैसला है? Do you think this is the right decision? Do you think this is the right decision? यह सब वक्त की बात है। It's just a matter of time. It's just a matter of time. क्या यह तुम्हें किसने बताया? Who has told you this? Who has told you this? मुझे किसी ने नहीं बताया। No one told me. No one told me. मैंने खुद देखा। I saw it myself. I saw it myself. क्या आपको और जानकारी चाहिए? Do you need more information? Do you need more information? नहीं शुक्रिया, मैं खुद देख लूंगी। No thanks, I'll manage myself. No thanks, I'll manage myself. मैं क्या कहूँ? What should I say? What should I say? कमाल की बात है। It is surprising. It is surprising. क्या तुम्हें पता था ये होगा? Did you expect this to happen? Did you expect this to happen? क्या वजह हो सकती है? What's the reason behind this? What's the reason behind this? बताया तो था। I told you earlier. I told you earlier. मुझे याद नहीं है। I don't remember. I don't remember. हमारी पिछली बातचीत याद है तुम्हें? Do you remember our previous conversation? Do you remember our previous conversation? क्या तुमने मेरी बात ध्यान से नहीं सुनी? Didn't you listen to me carefully? Didn't you listen to me carefully? फिर से बताऊं क्या? Do you need me to repeat it? Do you need me to repeat it? मैंने समझने की कोशिश की लेकिन I tried to understand but मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। I don't have any issue. I don't have any issue. अगर आप चाहो तो उनसे मिलने जा सकते हो। If you want to, you can go meet them. If you want to, you can go meet them. क्या आप उनसे पहले कभी मिले हो? Have you met them before? Have you met them before? उसने तुमसे कुछ कहा क्या? Did he say anything to you? Did he say anything to you? क्या तुमने उससे कुछ पूछा? Did you ask him anything? Did you ask him anything? उसको कुछ बुरा लगा क्या? Did he mind anything? Did he mind anything? मुझे नहीं पता। I don't know. I don't know. शायद आपको अंदाजा नहीं। Maybe you don't have an idea. Maybe you don't have an idea. वह आपकी परवाह करता है। He cares for you. He cares for you. मुझे यह जानकर अच्छा लगा। I'm glad to know that. I'm glad to know that. मैं भी उसकी परवाह करता हूँ। I also care for him. I also care for him. यह तो वाकई शानदार है। That's really great. That's really great. क्या तुम्हें लगता है कि वह तुम्हारे लिए सही है? Do you think he is right for you? Do you think he is right for you? तुम्हें कैसे पता चला कि वह तुम्हारी परवाह करता है? How did you find out that he cares for you? How did you find out that he cares for you? तुम उसके साथ कितने समय से हो? How long have you been with him? How long have you been with him? मैं कभी उसकी बात नहीं सुनती। आई नेवर लिसन टू हिम। आई नेवर लिसन टू हिम। फिर भी वो आपकी परवाह करता है। स्टिल ही केयर्स फॉर यू। स्टिल ही केयर्स फॉर यू। ये बात तो मुझे कल समझ आई। आई अंडरस्टूड दिस yesterday only. I understood this yesterday only. तुमने बताया नहीं मुझे। Why didn't you tell me? Why didn't you tell me? मुझे लगा आप जानते हो। I thought you knew. I thought you knew. तुम्हें मुझे बताना चाहिए था। You should have told me. You should have told me. आगे से ऐसा नहीं होगा। It won't. लेकिन तुमने कुछ नहीं किया है ना? But you didn't do anything, right? But you didn't do anything, right? हाँ, मैंने कुछ नहीं किया। Yeah, I didn't do anything. Yeah, I didn't do anything. मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था कि ऐसा होगा। I could never have imagined all these things. I could never have imagined all these things. मैं भी हैरान हूँ। I'm also amazed. I'm also amazed. ये वाकई हैरान करने वाली बात है। This is truly surprising. This is truly surprising. अब आप क्या करोगे? What will you do now? What will you do now? तुम उससे नाराज हो क्या? Are you upset with him? Are you upset with him? तुम्हारी लड़ाई हुई है क्या? Did you have a fight? Did you have a fight? क्या मैं उससे बात करूं? Should I talk to him? Should I talk to him? क्या तुम्हारे पास कुछ है कहने को? Do you have something to say? Do you have something to say? मेरा काम अभी बाकी है। I have some work left to do. I have some work left to do. मुझे भी जाना है। I have to go as well. I have to go as well. मुझे तुम्हारे साथ जाना है। I want to go with you. I want to go with you. तुम्हें पता भी है हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Do you even know where we are going? Do you even know where we are going? हाँ, मुझे पता है। Yes, I know. Yes, I know. लेकिन मुझे नहीं पता। But I don't know. But I don't know. मुझे आइडिया है लेकिन पक्का नहीं। I have an idea but not sure. I have an idea but not sure. मुझे खुशी होगी तुम्हारे साथ। I'll be happy to have you with me. I'll be happy to have you with me. तुम मददगार होगे। You'll be helpful. You'll be helpful. मैं कैसे मदद कर सकती हूँ? How can I help you? How can I help you? तुम्हें कैसी मदद चाहिए? What kind of help do you need? What kind of help do you need? मैं पूरी कोशिश करूँगी। I'll do my best. I'll do my best. आपके पास सब चीज़ें हैं? Do you have everything? Do you have everything? लगभग सब कुछ है। मैं फिर से देख लेती हूँ। Almost everything. Let me check again. Almost everything. Let me check again. सब कुछ बहुत आसानी से हो गया। Everything got done very easily. Everything got done very easily. ये एक शानदार अनुभव था। It was a great experience. It was a great experience. सब कुछ ठीक हुआ। Everything went well. Everything went well. आपको कोई परेशानी नहीं हुई? Didn't you face any difficulties? Didn't you face any difficulties? तुम्हें यह कैसा लगा? How did you feel about it? How did you feel about it? मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई। I felt extremely happy. I felt extremely happy. तुमने क्या सीखा? What did you learn? What did you learn? मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा। I learned a lot. I learned a lot. क्या आप अपने अनुभव शेयर करोगे? Will you share your experience? Will you share your experience? परेशानी वाली बात आपके लिए नहीं थी। It wasn't an issue for you. It wasn't an issue for you. तुम्हें क्या लगता है? What do you think? What do you think? मुझे इसके बारे में सोचना होगा। आई नीड टू थिंक अबाउट इट। आई नीड टू थिंक अबाउट इट। आपको यह क्यों लगता है? वाई डू यू थिंक सो? वाई डू यू थिंक सो? क्या तुम्हें लगता है कि यह सही है? डू यू थिंक दिस इज करेक्ट? डू यू थिंक दिस इज करेक्ट? तुम ही बताओ, मैं और क्या करूं? यू टेल मी व्हाट एल्स कैन आई डू? यू टेल मी व्हाट एल्स कैन आई डू? नई चीज़ें सीखने की कोशिश करो। ट्राई टू लर्न न्यू थिंग्स। ट्राई टू लर्न न्यू थिंग्स। अपने गोल्स के ऊपर ध्यान दो। फोकस ऑन योर गोल्स। फोकस ऑन योर गोल्स। जो काम तुम्हें पसंद है वो करो। वर्क अकॉर्डिंग टू योर इंटरेस्ट। वर्क अकॉर्डिंग टू योर इंटरेस्ट। तुम फिर से वही बातें दोहरा रहे हो। यू आर ब्रिंगिंग दोज थिंग्स अगैन। यू आर ब्रिंगिंग दोज थिंग्स अगैन। अगली बार मैं ध्यान रखूंगा। I'll be mindful next time. I'll be mindful next time. मैं तुम्हें सच बता रहा हूँ। I'm telling you the truth. I'm telling you the truth. मुझे पता है आप सच कह रहे हो। I know you are telling the truth. I know you are telling the truth. मुझे तुम पर भरोसा है। I trust you. I trust you. मुझे पता है आप जो कह रहे हो वो सच है। I know what you are saying is true. I know what you are saying is true. तुम्हें क्यों परवाह है? Why do you care? Why do you care? मैं आपके बारे में सोचती हूँ। I think मुझे क्या करना चाहिए? What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? तुम्हें बस इंतज़ार करना होगा। You just have to wait. You just have to wait. मैं कैसे शुरू करूँ? How do I start? How do I start? मुझे किसी से सलाह लेनी चाहिए क्या? Should I consult someone? Should I consult someone? नहीं, आप खुद फैसला कर सकते हो। No, you can decide yourself. No, you can decide yourself. तुमने अपनी क्या हालत बना ली है? What have you done to yourself? What have you done to yourself? तुम ठीक हो? Are you all right? Are you all right? क्या हुआ है तुम्हें? What happened to you? What happened to you? तुमने ऐसा क्यों किया? Why did you do this? Why did you do this? कसम से मैंने कुछ नहीं किया। I didn't do anything, I promise. I didn't do anything, I promise. क्या तुम्हें सच में लगता है कि मुझे तुम पर भरोसा करना चाहिए? Do you really think I should trust you? Do you really think I should trust you? मैं तुम्हें कभी धोखा नहीं दूंगा। I will never deceive you. I will never deceive you. तुम इसे नकार रहे हो? Are you denying it? Are you denying it? हाँ, मैं इससे इनकार कर रहा हूँ। Yes, I'm denying it. Yes, I'm denying it. क्या तुम्हारे पास सबूत है? Do you have proof? Do you have proof? तुम मुझ पर भरोसा करोगे? Will you trust me? Will you trust me? मैंने ऐसा कुछ नहीं किया। I didn't do anything like this. I didn't do anything like this. आप मुझसे क्यों पूछ रहे हो? Why are you asking me? Why are you asking me? आपको मेरी राय से कुछ लेना देना है क्या? Do you have anything to do with my opinion? Do you have anything to do with my opinion? तुम मुझसे क्या उम्मीद कर रहे हो? What do you expect from me? What do you expect from me? मुझे उससे बात करनी चाहिए। I should talk to him. I should talk to him. आप उससे क्यों बात करना चाहते हो? Why do you want to talk to him? Why do you want to talk to him? आपको लगता है कि वो आपकी बात सुनेगा? Do you think he'll listen to you? Do you think he'll listen to you? मुझे नहीं पता। I don't know. I don't know. आपने सही फैसला किया है। You have made the right decision. You have made the right decision. मैंने तुम्हारी मदद की। I have helped you. I have helped you. तुम्हारी मदद से मुझे बहुत फ़ायदा हुआ। Your help was very beneficial for me. Your help was very beneficial for me. क्या मैं बदले में तुम्हें कुछ दे सकती हूँ? Can I give you something in return? Can I give you something in return? उसने यह सब कैसे किया? How did she do all this? How did she do all this? उसकी प्लानिंग बहुत बढ़िया थी. Her planning was excellent. Her planning was excellent. मैं आपकी मदद करने के लिए तैयार हूँ. I'm ready to help you. I'm ready to help you. वो सच में बहुत किस्मत वाली है. She is really very lucky. She is really very lucky. उसे हमेशा अच्छी चीज़ मिलती है. She always get good things. She always get good things. उसकी मेहनत का फल मिला है. Her hard work has paid off. Her hard work has paid off. इतनी मुश्किल समय में तुम्हें उसका साथ देना चाहिए. You should support him in such difficult times. You should support him in such difficult times. हम उसकी कैसे मदद कर सकते हैं? How can we help him? How can we help him? उसको क्या चाहिए? What does he need? What does he need? मैं थोड़ी देर में आता हूँ. I'll come in a while. I'll come in a while. ये बहुत अजीब बात है. It's something so strange. It's something so strange. इसकी क्या वजह हो सकती है? What could be the reason for this? What could be the reason for this? क्या तुम्हें इसके बारे में कुछ पता है? Do you know anything about this? Do you know anything about this? नहीं, मुझे कुछ नहीं पता. No, I don't know anything. No, I don't know anything. क्या मतलब है तुम्हारा? What do you mean? What do you mean?